Hi friends, we're going to get started on building number 7. So I'm going to start with my tens frame. I'm going to put the dots on my, my counters on my tens frame. So count with me as you put yours on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, I go down to the bottom row and I start on the left side. 7. There's how I show 7 on my tens frame. Filling up my 5 group at the top first, and then filling up the second row. I'm going to make a tower of 7 with my Unifix cubes. You can count with me and follow along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I were at home, I'd be putting my tower straight up. Mrs. Curry is going to lay it down so you can see it. Now I'm going to build number 7 with my Play-Doh. I left my long skinny snake from my 6, and I'm going to make a straight line over, and then I'm going to make a diagonal line down, or a slanted line down. That's how I make a 7. So you can pause the video now and make your 7 out of Play-Doh. I know that takes you some time. And then you can unpause when you're ready to move on and do math hands. I'm going to show you how to do math hands now. I'm going to start with my left hand. I'm going to start with 1 with my pinky finger, and I'm going to count up to 7. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's how I show 7 with my math hands. All of the fingers on my left hand are up. These 2 fingers on my right hand are up. That makes 7. Great job building number 7. Feel free to watch this video again if you need more time. Thanks, friends. See you tomorrow.